My beloved love. Dear reader, the divine masculine in this connection is taking up an old stance. They are ready to confront their loved ones for you. This takes a man's courage and strength, and the card commands bravery. The divine masculine knows all too well the pain of losing you because of the influence of others. They have taken a deep introspection and have realized that the opinion of their friends and family has no place in matters of the heart. They are willing to put everything on the line for this connection because they know that you are worth it. However, this comes at a price. Their friends and family members may harbor resentment towards you. Dear reader, never feel like you are taking a divine masculine away from them or causing a rift in their relationship. But do not be discouraged, dear reader. This is a sign of true love and devotion. The divine masculine is willing to take a stand for you, even if it means facing the disapproval of those closest to them. As you move forward on this journey, know that the divine masculine's commitment is unwavering. They are a beacon of hope and courage, inspiring you to stand up for what you believe in. Trust in the cards and the divine masculine's love, and you will overcome any obstacle that comes your way. The cards reveal that the potential for a joyful and harmonious reunion with your loved one is strong, but only if both of you are willing to put in the effort to overcome the obstacles in your path. Trust that the universe is guiding you both towards each other, and the time for a reunion will come when the energy is right. In conclusion, the cards suggest that there is hope for a beautiful union between you and your loved one. Embrace the journey with courage and trust that the universe has a plan in store for you. This is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest behind. This is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest behind. Through this in-depth tarot reading, we will unveil the hidden truths and emotions that have been causing turmoil and confusion in your relationship. As I draw the first card, the Seven of Cups, I sense that the divine masculine has been surrounded by an overwhelming number of choices and opportunities when it comes to potential partners. They have been struggling with indecision and a lack of commitment, perhaps feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of options available to them. Moving on to the next card, the Knight of Swords, we see a strong energy of movement and action. It seems that the divine masculine has been moving quickly from one relationship to another, leaving a trail of broken hearts and shattered dreams in their wake. This passionate behavior has left them feeling unfulfilled and emotionally drained. The third card, the Seven of Swords, reveals the painful truth that the divine masculine has been hiding something important from their loved ones, preventing them from forming authentic and profound connections with others. From Divine Masculine, type yes if you believe.